Here are 5 factors that you must know before starting a new business. Please, you should listen carefully. 1. Market demand. A successful business starts with understanding the market's needs. Identifying a gap in the market or providing a solution to a pressing problem ensures that there is demand for your product or service. 2. Strong value proposition. Your business must offer something unique and valuable to customers. A clear value proposition differentiates you from competitors and highlights why customers should choose you. 3. Efficient operations. Streamlined processes, resource management, and cost efficiency are essential for profitability. Proper operations reduce waste, improve productivity, and maximize customer satisfaction. 4. Adaptability. The ability to respond to market trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements is crucial. Adaptable businesses can pivot strategies to maintain relevance and competitiveness. 5. Effective leadership. Strong leadership drives the vision, culture, and decision-making of a business. A good leader motivates the team, sets clear goals, and ensures alignment with the company's objectives.